So good morning to all of you once again. Today we will going to do problem number 19 as well as problem number 20. Problem number 19 will be solved here and problem number 20 will be given as a homework. So let's see problem number 19. Following is the summarized balance sheet of Soham Limited as on 31st March 2021. On the liability side we have 12% preference share of rupees 100 each, rupees 80 paid up, 24 lakh rupees. Okay. So let's calculate how much number of preference share we have. 24 lakh divided by 80 comes to 30,000. So 30,000 number of preference shares we have and they have paid only 80 rupees. So we got total 24 lakh rupees, 6 lakh more we have to ask from them. Equity shares of rupees 10 each fully paid up 12 lakh rupees. Profit and loss account 11 lakh rupees. General reserve 12 lakh rupees. Security premium 60,000. Current liability 90,000. On the asset side, we have fixed asset of rupees 28 lakhs, bank 27 lakh 60,000 and other current asset 13 lakhs. The preference share are to be redeemed at 10% premium. For this purpose, company made a final call and all call was duly received. This is a good thing. So we are going for call and we received all the call. On 1st April 2021, a fresh issue of equity shares of rupees 10 each was made at 10% premium to the minimum extent as required under the Companies Act for the purpose of redemption of preference shares. So what we have to do, we have to utilize our divisible profit to the fully extent. Okay, in that we also have to make a provision of our liability, which liability premium. Okay, so we will going to pay premium also, and after deducting premium, whatever amount which is left out, that will be arranged by issue of a equity shares. On 1st October 2021, bonus shares were issued at par at the rate of 1 share for every 2 shares held on the same date after new issue. So here the shares which are issued for a purpose of redemption will also be considered for issuing of a bonus shares. Past journal entry in the books of Soham Limited to record the above transaction. This particular problem was there in March 2019 adult examination of SY BCom for 20 marks. Let go to the worksheet so that we can do. Okay, so first of all, let pass the entry of asking for a call and then met a call 142021. My first entry will be share call account debited to 12% preference share capital account. Okay, here I will write being call in arrears asked or called. Okay, amount is 30,000 multiplied by 20 comes to 6 lakh rupees. Comes to 6 lakh rupees. In my second entry, on the same date, okay, we are getting what? Amount fully paid up. Now this is a dummy problem, so we are considering everything on the same date, but in reality there is a difference between calls and receiving of a call in arrears. Bank account debited to share call account. Share call account. Okay, now here we will write being call received. How much we got? 6 lakh rupees. After that, My next entry will be of issue of equity shares. Now let's see how much number of equity shares we will going to issue. First of all, we will going to see the balance of profit and loss account, and the second divisible profit we have journal reserve with us. So balance of profit and loss account is 11 lakh rupees and general reserve is 12 lakh rupees. So let's write down 11 lakh rupees and 12 lakh rupees. Okay, so total we have with us 23 lakhs less we require premium for redemption of preference shares. For redemption of preference shares, how much we require? 3 lakh rupees, because total liability is of 30 lakhs and 10% we have to pay premium at the time of redemption. Here they have written very clearly, preference shares are to be redeemed at 10% premium. So 24 lakhs is amount which we already got and 6 lakh we got from call-in area. So total 30 lakhs liability we have against preference shares. So to redeem 30 lakhs liability, we require 3 lakh rupees as an amount for premium. So balance is how much? 22 lakh minus 3 lakh. 20 lakh reserve is available to create a CRR. So if we are creating a CRR of 20 lakhs, so how much amount of equity shares we require? So I will calculate equity share capital should be of 10 lakh rupees. Why 10 lakh rupees? Because I need to redeem 30 lakh rupees preference share. So 20 lakh I can able to manage from my divisible profit, and balance 10 lakh I will going to issue equity shares at a premium of 10%. So I will write bank account debited to equity share capital account to security premium to securities premium account. Okay, here I will write being 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each issued at 10% premium. Okay, so here equity shares 10 lakh rupees, premium will be 1 lakh rupees, and the total amount I'm getting is 11 lakh rupees. Now after this, I will go to transfer my claim to holders account. 12% preference share capital account debited, premium on redemption of preference share capital account debited to 12% preference share holders account. Okay, so we have to redeem total liability of, or we have to transfer total liability of 30 lakhs and premium of 3 lakhs. So total we have to pay 33 lakhs to the preferential holder. So here I will write being claim transferred at 10% premium. Okay. Now next entry, after transferring a claim at premium, now we require to provide a premium. So profit and loss account debited to premium for redemption of preference share capital account. ठीक है, here I will write being premium provided for redemption of preference shares. Okay, now amount is 3 lakh rupees. 3 lakh rupees. Next is creating a CRR. Creating a CRR for purpose of redemption. So for creating CRR, profit and loss account debited general reserve account debited to capital redemption reserve account. Now let's see. The balance which is there in profit and loss account was 11 lakh rupees, and out of 11 lakh, 3 lakh we have already paid, so balance is 8 lakh rupees. And in general reserve we have a balance of 12 lakh rupees. So total CRR we will going to create of 20 lakh rupees. Okay, and here we will provide, right, being CRR created for redemption of preference shares. Okay, and after that last entry will be of claim settlement. Okay, and the claim settlement entry, I think you people are very much aware. 12% preference share holders account debited, holders account debited to bank, account. Narration will be being claim settled at 10% premium. Okay, amount will be 33 lakhs. 33 lakhs. Okay. Now they are saying we also have to issue bonus shares. Now let's see how much number of shares which is there with us. Okay. So at that time we have a existing equity shares capital of 12 lakhs. From where we got this information? Here it is given 12 lakh rupees. Okay. Now fresh issue we made of rupees 10 lakh. So total we have total number of equity shares we have 22 lakhs, and bonus shares we have to issue. Bonus shares we have to issue in the ratio of 1:2. So number of bonus shares equals to 22 lakh divided by 2. So 11 lakh rupees bonus share I will going to issue. So therefore here I will write capital redemption reserve account debited to bonus to equity share holders account. Here I will write being bonus shares declared in the ratio of 1:2. Okay, so amount is 11 lakh rupees. Here it will be 11 lakh rupees. And my next entry will be issue of bonus share. So I will write bonus to equity share holders account debited to equity share capital account. Here I will write being owner shares issued in the ratio of 1:2. Amount is 11 lakh rupees. 11 lakh rupees. I hope the entry is clear to all of you. Now we will move to balance sheet. Let's see, here we have a balance sheet. So we have written balance sheet in the book of Soham Limited after redemption of preference shares. First of all, we have a share capital. So we have already 1,20,000 equity share capital
So
अरे आवाज okay. So let see once again share capital 1,20,000 equity share capital we already have in our balance sheet. 1 lakh share we have issued during the process. So we got 10 lakh rupees and bonus shares of rupees 1 lakh. So 33 lakhs we got a total share capital. Coming to reserve surpluses, profit and loss account, we have 11 lakh rupees less premium on redemption of preference share 3 lakh rupees and less transfer to CRR 8 lakh rupees. So we don't have any balance in profit and loss account. Similarly, talking about journal reserve, Okay, we used to have 12 lakh rupees opening balance, and we have paid amount to for transfer to CRR. How much? 12 lakh rupees. So here we don't have any balance. Then coming to capital redemption reserve, we made a capital redemption reserve of 20 lakhs, 20 lakhs, and less we have utilized 11 lakh rupees for issue of bonus shares. I should write issue of bonus shares. How much we utilized? 11 lakh rupees. Okay, 11 lakh. And the last was security premium. Okay, we already have a 60,000 in our balance sheet, plus 1 lakh rupees we got while issue of equity shares. So total it comes to 1,60,000. So we have total 10,60,000 as our reserves and surpluses. Now let's see, in our balance sheet we have only current liability, so we don't have any long-term liability. So in current liability we will going to write straight away how much we have. Let's see, 9 lakh rupees. So here we will write 9 lakh rupees. 9 lakh rupees. So total 52 lakh 60,000. Now coming to the asset side, in the asset side we have 28 lakhs as a fixed asset, 28 lakhs. Okay, and other current asset we have 13 lakhs. Now coming to cash and cash equivalent liability, for that we will going to make note number 3. Note number 3. So opening balance we have 27 lakh 60,000, 27 lakh 60,000. So here I will write add. First of all, we got call in arrears. Okay, how much? 6 lakh rupees. Then we issued equity share capital. So I will write equity share capital we got rupees 11 lakh. So total we got 27 lakh plus 6 lakh plus 11 lakh. So 44 lakh 60,000. Let's be paid to preference share holders. How much you paid? 33 lakhs. So total we have 11 lakh 60,000. So 11 lakh 60,000. Let's see. This is how I got my balance sheet tally. I hope problem is clear with everyone. So now let begin with our next problem, problem number 20. Problem number 20 is a homework problem for all of you. Problem number 20 goes like this way. Following is the summarized balance sheet of Sunshine Limited as on 31st March 2021. Authorized capital is just for information. It is a maximum permissible share capital which a company can issue in a market. So this is just for information. Okay, we only have to consider this one while doing a calculation. Issued and paid up capital 50,000, equity share capital of rupees 10 each fully paid up, 5 lakh rupees, 5,009%, redeemable preference shares of rupees 100 each fully paid up, 5 lakh rupees. Security premium sorry, अपना profit and loss account 2 lakh rupees, general reserve 1 lakh rupees, current liability 50,000. On the asset side, we have fixed asset 5 lakh 50,000, investment 1 lakh rupees, cash at bank, other current assets. Okay. Now look at here. On 1st April 21, the company sold a part of investment at rupees 72 at 10% loss. So what they are saying, we have not sold the entire investment. We have sold the part of investment, okay, at rupees 72, which was at 10% loss. So we have to cross multiply 72,000 is 90%. Then how much should be the 100%? Okay, this is one of the formula. Another formula is let the total cost of investment be X. So by that also you can calculate your 100% amount. So there you will going to make a loss of rupees 10%. So 10% how much? If you cross multiply, it comes 80,000. So you will going to make a loss of 8,000 here. The further company decided to redeem preference shares at 5% premium. Okay. So 50,000 का 5% कितना होता है बेटा? 25,000. So we also have to make an arrangement of this 25,000. Issue equity shares of rupees 10 each at par to the extent it required under the Companies Act for the purpose of redemption of preference share. And it says arrange temporary bank overdraft to manage the fund if required. Okay. So let's see how much number of equity share we will going to issue. We have total divisible profit 3 lakh rupees. From 3 lakh rupees, we have to less a loss of rupees 8,000 which we made while selling of investment. ठीक है? और उसके अलावा you have to also provide a premium of 25,000. So 25 plus 8 comes to 33,000. So 33,000 is the amount which you will going to take out from your reserves. So balance is 2,67,000 reserve which is available with you. So you can able to create a CRR of this amount, and whatever amount which is a shortfall can be arranged by issue of equity shares of rupees 10 each at par. Okay. So my first entry will be of sale of investment at loss. Second entry will be of transfer of claim at premium. Third entry will be of providing a premium. Fourth entry will be of creation of CRR. Fifth entry will be of claim settlement. Okay. And arrange temporary bank overdraft to manage. So for that purpose, you have to make a note on cash and cash equivalent. There you can able to know whether you have a sufficient cash balance with you. As per this, I feel we don't have a sufficient cash balance with us because 1,20,000 plus 72,000 we are getting from sale of investment, and around 2 lakh something we will get from 230 or 240 we will get from issue of equity. So the total amount of 5 lakh 25 lakh cannot be arranged. So you have to make a arrangement of a bank overdraft. The problem is very simple. You are required to show necessary journal entries in the books of Sunshine Limited to record the above transaction, and also you have to prepare a balance sheet thereafter. This problem was also there in March 2019 for 20 marks. I hope this problem is very clear and very simple. You can able to do it. If not, then please let me know so that in the next lecture we can solve this problem. Is it fine with everyone?
Yes,
Yes, sir.